everybody, just another quick update. Here we are. Cleaning the block. 650 SFM. I got about 2.5 thou. I think it's 2 thou, 2.5 thou chip load. Doing an 1/8 deep at a time. Just cruising along. 9%, 9-10% single load. Also got the Fadal running over here on some nitronic 60 plates. Having issues with chips, but it's getting there. Figured it out. It's a pretty good sized piece of plate. 74 by 15 by 1.25 inch. Nitronic 60, just moving along. Here's the block that we're doing in the Mazak and the tool pads, so we're just notching these out. I've already done quite a few of them. The plates and the blocks. So just giving you another quick update. Got one left to do over there, but moving along.